And today we're taking a look at how to install or replace an outdoor light fixture. This is so simple, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And this technique works for any outdoor light fixture, a motion sensor one, a regular one, security lights, any outdoor light. With this video, you would be able to install it. And the first thing that we want to do is turn off the breaker for that light, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die before you get to see the light in action and be able to spot those raccoons coming in at nighttime. We're going to go ahead and locate the screw or bolt that holds the light fixture to the wall. The first thing that you want to do is verify if there's any caulking around the light fixture. If there is, you do want to take a knife and remove that, because if not, when removing the light fixture, you might remove the paint from the wall, and this goes from a small job to a big job. In this case, we're going to need a plier to remove it. If in your case you need a screwdriver, you can go ahead and use that. And remember, a pro tip, usually lefty loosey, righty tighty is the way to go. Once we get it loose enough, we can go ahead and finish removing it with our hands. So you can go ahead and show off your finger strength. Once we completely remove the screw, bolt, or nut, we want to slightly remove the light fixture from the wall, because remember, there are wires attached from the light fixture to the home. Now that we have access to the wires, we can take our non-contact voltage tester and verify that there's no electricity on the wires, because the last thing you want is your neighbors to think that you become a Christmas tree. We can go ahead and remove the cap that hold on to the wires. Place your old light fixture in a safe place. Let's go ahead and remove the old bracket so we can install the new bracket that came with the new light fixtures. In this case, you might need a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver. Now that the bracket is out the way, we can go ahead and take the ground wire. And what we're gonna do is install it in the new bracket. So basically what we wanna do is loosen the green screw so we can have space to insert the ground wire. Once we have it in the screw, now we can go ahead and start tightening it. We don't want to tighten it all the way, because we also have to install the wire coming from the light fixture. But we want to start it so it could be a lot easier when we put the ground from the new light fixture. We're ready to install the bracket now to the house. You can start at the bottom or at the top. At the end of the day, it won't matter. The important thing is that you get there. Now the bracket is installed. We can go ahead and wrap our green wire coming from the light fixture in the green screw. That's why it's important not to tighten it all the way. We once again wrap the new wire on the green screw and tighten. Now we're going to color match the wires black and black and white and white. We're going to put both black wires together and insert the cap and then twist. Once it's hand tight, it's good enough. Then we go ahead and do the same thing for the white wires. For extra precaution, we're going to add some electrical tape to each of the wires, and the goal is to cover a little bit of the cap and a little bit of the wire. Before we go ahead and install the lights permanently, it'd be a good idea to test it out. So if you want to yell out to Watson, breaker, you can do that. Always remember to hold the light fixture and not the wires, because let's leave the turkey for Thanksgiving and let's leave you uncooked till then. we can go ahead and push the wires inside the electrical box so we can have space to place our new light fixture. Now that we know that everything's working correctly, we can go ahead and install the screw that holds the light to the bracket. So basically what you want to do is align the screw with the middle hole in the bracket and then tighten. If you have adjustable light fixtures, then you can go ahead and do that. If your light fixture has a timer or distance level at the bottom, you can go ahead and adjust that as well. In our case, we have distance at low, medium, and high. And also we have dusk till dawn, which basically means that the light will turn on at nighttime and turn off in the daytime. And the low, medium, high is basically the sensitivity that it's gonna have for any motion. The higher the sensitivity, the easier it would trigger. And then to the right side, we have a timer. We have the test, that's so you can tell if your light is working or not. Then we have 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 10 minutes, which means is once the light finds motion, it's gonna stay on for either 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 10 minutes after it detected the motion. In our case, we're gonna use high and 3 minutes. And now that you're a boss at blinding the neighbors with your security light, you can pat yourself in the back. You can go ahead and get that ice cold, bubbly, delicious bottle of water. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.